Brick buildings have always leaked. Brick buildings are always going to leak. And by design, brick buildings should leak. People tend to beat up on EIFS as a wall cladding system. It leaks, stucco leaks, vinyl siding leaks, fiberglass panels. Listen, it doesn't matter what cladding system you engineer or design for your building. They all can leak if you don't follow the directions and put them on according to their intent and design. Building brick veneer systems are designed to leak. If you ever did forensics or hooked up camera behind brick veneer's walls, it would stun you to watch brick veneer walls rain water because of the vapor transmission, the building assemblies, the cooling, the drying, and the mortar joints, especially the head joints. They can just pour water. That's why all brick veneer cladding systems by design are water management systems. They're designed to get water in and go out. And that's where the complexities come in. If you don't do the flashings, the substrate, the membranes, the vapor barrier, if you don't do those systems right, and then you pour it on the brick veneer, you have a disaster because now you got to remove the brick to get to it. Somewhere in America, I did one of the first LEED gold certified buildings that were brick veneer, and it leaked. I mean, water poured in the structure, and it was commissioned. But there is some challenges with brick veneer if you use it, and you've got to do it right. And if done properly, they will give you an incredible performance value. I love brick veneer, love any type of cladding system that's properly integrated and put on and constructed properly.